welcome back to another video. Hope you are doing good. My name is Cynthia. If you're here for the first time, you're highly welcome. So in this video, we're going to be making an overall jumpsuit. So I'm cutting the sleeve and the shoulder together. So let's get started. I'm using about 2 meters of crepe fabric for this tutorial. It's 60 inches by length. So I have my fabric folded into 4. I'm going to be cutting out the front and the back together. I know majority of you know how to fold the fabric into 4. I folded into 2, then I fold it again. So let me just show you guys. So this is folded into 2, and I fold it again, and it's folded into 4. The length of my jumpsuit is 62 inches. As you can see, I've marked out some lines here. So I will explain everything to you guys. This is my chest line. It is 9 inches. This is my waistline. From shoulder to waist is 17.5 inches plus sewing allowance. From waist to hip is 8.5 inches plus sewing allowance. And from waist to my crotch is 11.5 inches. I added extra 3 inches to the crotch. The length of your sleeve will determine the amount of fabric you're going to be cutting out. But the front is 34 inches and the back is 34 inches. So if you want yours to be longer than that, if you want the sleeve a little bit longer, that means you're going to be extending it more. You add more fabric to it. So folded into 4, my shoulder here, I have 17 inches. Make sure this 17 inches here is bigger than your hip measurement. My hip measurement is 46 inches. Divided into 4 is 11.5 inches. So if you minus 11 from 17 inches, you will be left with 5.5 inches. So that is enough for ease. So we'll go ahead and place the measurement. So I will just place the shoulder so you guys will understand what I'm doing. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches. Divided by 2 is 8 inches. This is 8 inches. It's supposed to be my shoulder, but I'll be extending it because I'm cutting out the sleeve and the shoulder together. So this is 8 inches. I added about 9 inches to it. So that's 17 inches. So I'm taking 3.5 inches for the wideness of the neck. I'm taking 2 inches for the back depth. And at the front, I'm taking 7 inches. The front is a V neckline, and the back is a round neck. You can also make the back V neckline if you want. This is my back neckline. So I'll go ahead and mark the front neckline. So this is my front neckline. The front is V and the back is round neckline. So I will come to this side. I will take 2 inches for shoulder slope. So I will connect it right from the neckline. Right from here, I will measure 9 inches for the arm opening or the sleeve. To get your crotch line, you divide your hip by 4. So my hip is 46 inches. Divided by 4 is 11.5 inches. Right from the waistline here, I will measure 11.5 inches. So this is 11.5 inches. Because it's a bogus jumpsuit, I'll be adding about 3 inches to the crotch. So this is the original crotch. I'll be adding 3.5 inches to it. So this is now the crotch line. From here to here is the crotch line. Right on this folded edge here, I will go to the bottom and mark 2 inches here. So I will connect it to meet this crotch line. Like I said earlier, it's a free jumpsuit, so I won't be adding the circumference measurement. This is my extended sleeve or arm opening. So right from here, I will go inside by 1/2 inch. I will take it all the way to the bottom. That's just it. I'm not adding any other measurement to it. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. I'll cut out the neckline first before I cut out the crotch. So I'll go ahead and cut out the crotch. So I'll bring the front panel out because I'm going to be cutting out the neckline. So I'm cutting out the front neckline. So I'll cut out the back and the front facing. Cutting out 2 inches for the front facing. So I will do the same thing to the back. So this is the back panel. I will go to the midpoint. I will make about 7 to 8 inches slit at the back. I'm not going to be adding zip to it, so I want this to penetrate through the neck. So this is my 8 inches. So I'm cutting out my slit. What we are going to do is to join the fabric together. I will take the front and the back panel, lay them against each other, right side facing each other. This is the back, this is the front. So I will make sure I use the facing to turn the neckline before joining the shoulders. I will join the shoulders with 1/2 inch. So this is my arm opening. Leave this place unsewed and start sewing it right from here. I will sew it all the way to the down side. I will do the same thing for this other side. I will sew the shoulder, leave this place unsewed. I will start sewing it from here to the down part. So guys, I finished joining them together. This is the back side. I splitted the back into 2 and I stitched it up with 1/4 inch. I did that in order for me to have access to hem the slit. So we hem it, take it with 1/4 inch twice, hem this side, and I will also hem this side with 1/4 inch. Moving on, I will go ahead and sew the crotch line. I will use 1/2 inch to sew it. I will take it like so and bring it down to the other side. After I've done that, I will use a gather stitch to gather the button here, the button of the jumpsuit, both sides. So I will gather it up to my ankle measurement. My round ankle measurement is 10 inches. I will add 2 inches for ease and 1 inch for sewing allowance. I'm cutting out 13 inches instead of 10 inches. Band. The length of my band is 4 inches. I will turn it to the wrong side, stitch this end here and stitch this other side. I'm cutting out 2. So I'll go ahead and sew the crotch line and then gather the down part. So this is the down part. I've used gather stitch to gather the button. So what we are going to do next is to attach the band to the ankle. My round ankle measurement is 10 inches. I gather it up to 12 inches. I added 2 inches for ease. So I've also stitched the side of the band. I will turn it to the right side. I will stitch up this place with 1/4 inch. I'm going to be attaching it like so. This is the back slit. Don't forget to add about 4 to 5 inches to the crotch line. Let's say for instance your hip measurement is 36 inches. Divided by 4 is 9 inches. 9 inches is your crotch line. Then you measure from your waist 9 inches. Then you will add extra 5 inches to it. If you like, you can add pockets also to it. I'm not going to be putting on this outfit, it's not mine, it's for somebody. But I also make mine the same way I make this. I will take the band, right side facing each other, pin it to the ankle. So I will leave about ½ inch here. This will be for my button. So this is ½ inch and this is ½ inch. I'm not going to be attaching it to it because I'll be adding button to this place, either button or pressing button. So I'll go ahead and sew it around to the ankle. I'll do the same thing for this side. And I will also hem the sleeve. I will take ¼ inch twice and hem it round. This is the outcome of our jumpsuit. This is the band. So I left this ½ inch for the pressing button. I'll just use pin to hold it down. I've also hemmed the sleeves. Let me turn it to the back side. I will also be attaching a pressing button here or normal button. This is the back. I'll make a bed for her. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Love you guys.